Welcome to our course on Internet of Things. We hope you'll find this introductory course to be useful in building your knowledge base on this topic. Let's get started. In this introductory course on Internet of Things, we will cover the following topics: introduction, history, enablers, impact, challenges, applications, communication models, cloud. You'll gain some high-level introductory knowledge for business and personal use. From this course, you will learn to gain a perspective on what is driving the Internet of Things. What is the Internet of Things? What is enabling Internet of Things? What are the impacts of Internet of Things? What are the challenges of Internet of Things? We will look at many examples of how things, meaning devices, are used in Internet of Things. With communication between devices and Internet a key aspect, we will look at 4 communication models that make it possible for things to be connected.